Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we have another very interesting radical equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started straight away with our substitutions. Let's assume first fifth root a, second fifth root equal to b. By raising power 5 to our substitutions, we can write a power 5 will be equal to x square minus 5x plus 4, and we'll be writing b power 5 will be equal to minus x square plus x plus 2. Now we will add both the equations. So in LHS we are going to write a power 5 plus b power 5, and in RHS plus x square and minus x square will get over. Minus 5x plus x minus 4x, 4 plus 2 is 6, so 6 minus 4x. 6 minus 4x is the radicand in RHS. So here we can write this is a power 5 plus b power 5. So our equation will become a plus b equal to fifth root of a power 5 plus b power 5. Now we have 1/5 root in RHS. So we'll eliminate fifth root from RHS by raising power 5, both sides. Now fifth root and power 5 will get over, and we will get one final equation a plus b whole power 5 equal to a power 5 plus b power 5. Now we have to solve this equation. In LHS we'll be using binomial expansion as it is power 5. So I will write here a plus b whole power 5. This is equal to a power 5 plus b power 5. For binomial expansion of a plus b whole power 5, we should be aware of coefficients of expansion. So I need to use Pascal triangle. So if I will draw here 1, 1, 1. For power 2, we know 1 plus 1 is 2. This one would be as it is. These are expansion coefficients of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Coefficients are 1, 2 and 1. For power 3, we will retain 1 as it is. Now add 1 plus 2 and write over here 3. 2 plus 1 and write over here 3. Expansion is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So 1, 3, 3, 1. For power 4, we will retain 1 as it is. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. For required power 5 expansion, we will write 1 as it is. 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here we have expansion coefficients or multipliers. Now we can expand over here. We'll write 1 times a power 5 plus next coefficient is 5, so 5 times a power 4 times b. Next coefficient is 10, so 10 a cube b square. Next coefficient is again 10, 10 a square b cube. Next coefficient is 5, so we'll write 5 a b power 4. Last one is 1, so we have to only write b power 5. In right hand side we have a power 5 plus b power 5. Now we will subtract a power 5 from both the sides. So a power 5 will be over. B power 5 from both the sides. So b power 5 will be over. In RHS we are going to write 0. Now we will take 5ab common from left hand side. So we will get 5ab is common. In the bracket we will write a cube plus 2 times a square b plus 2 times ab square plus b cube equal to 0. Now we can split 2a square b and 2ab square. So let me write here 5ab. In bracket we'll write a cube plus 2 times a square b. We'll write a square b plus a square b. Then we have 2ab square, which we will write ab square plus ab square. Then we have b cube. We will write b cube. RHS is 0. Now from these two terms, we will take a square common. From these two, ab is common. From these two, b square is common. We will write 5ab in bracket. A square is common. A plus b in the bracket plus ab is common. We'll get a plus b in the bracket plus b square is common. We'll get a plus b in the bracket. RHS is 0. Now we'll take a plus b common out. So we can write equation 5ab times a plus b. In other bracket we'll write a square plus ab plus b square. Now we can use product 0 rule. So we'll be writing 4 equations, either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or a plus b equal to 0 or a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. Now we will begin with a equal to 0. So I will write here a equal to 0 case. By raising power 5 both sides, we will write a power 5 will be 0 power 5, which is 0. Now here we have a power 5. Radicand x square minus 5x plus 4 is a power 5. So we'll write directly x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation which we can factor easily and write x minus 1 times x minus 4 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So from first equation, we will get x equal to 1. From second, we will write x equal to 4. So we have first two real solutions, 1 and 4. Now we'll take up second condition, b equal to 0. Raising power 5 both sides, I can write 5 equal to 0. Now this is b power 5, radicand 2 plus x minus x square. So we can write 2 plus x minus x square equal to 0. By writing all the terms to RHS, we will write x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0, which we can factorize easily and write x plus 1 times x minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to write x equal to negative 1 and x equal to 2. So far we have 4 real solutions, 1 and 4, minus 1 and 2. Now we have third condition. It is a plus b equal to 0. I will subtract b from both the sides and write a equal to minus b. Now we will raise power 5 both sides. We will get minus b whole power 5. A power 5 is x square minus 5x plus 4. B power 5 is 2 plus x minus x square. Let's put both the values. We will write x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to, we will write here minus of b power 5. So we will keep minus sign outside and then we have to multiply 2 plus x minus x square. Or we will write x square minus 5x plus 4 will be equal to x square minus x minus 2. We'll subtract x square from both the sides. So we can remove x square. Now we'll take minus 5x to the RHS, minus 2 to the LHS. So in LHS there will be 2 plus 4. In RHS we'll be writing 5x minus x. So 6 will be equal to 4x. Now we have to divide both sides by 4. So let us divide by 4 both sides. 4 over 4 will be 1. 1 times x is x. So in RHS we have x. In LHS we will divide numerator denominator by 2 and write 3 over 2. So we have fifth real value of x, that is 3 over 2. So far we have 5 solutions, plus minus 1, 2, 4 and 3 half. Now we have last condition. We will write here a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. This was our last case. We'll multiply this equation by 4 both sides. So we can write 4a square plus 4ab plus 4b square, which we can write b square plus 3b square. B square plus 3b square is 4b square. 0 times 4 is 0. Now from these three terms, we can write one perfect square of 2a plus b. Then we have 3b square equal to 0. Sum of two squares equal to 0. This is possible if and only if these two brackets will be 0. So I can write two simultaneous condition, 2a plus b equal to 0 and second condition is b equal to 0. Then only this equation will hold true. So from second condition it is b equal to 0, which we have seen earlier also. If I will plug in b equal to 0 over here, we are going to get a equal to 0, which we have already solved. So our final solutions are x will be equal to plus minus 1. Then we have x equal to 2. We have x equal to 4. We have x equal to 3 over 2. So in total, 5 real values of x will satisfy our radical equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.